Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a text box in Google Docs. So text box is quite a popular feature in many programs like Google Slides, PowerPoint, and many other. And it basically allows you to insert a box or a container that you can place anywhere, and you can also adjust the size of the text box. So everything will be contained inside of the text box, which is very useful to decorate the document. So here's how you can insert that in Google Docs. First, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the text box initially. So I'm going to put it here. And after that, navigate to the insert menu. And then click drawing, click new. So this is the area where we can start inserting a text box. You can click on this icon that is called text box. And you can start drawing a square or a rectangular to create a text box like this. And there you go. You can type anything in here, but I'm going to just copy and paste a paragraph from here, and then I'm going to paste it here without formatting. And there you go. And of course, you always have the chance to adjust the style of the text. You can change the size, you can change the color, and there are many other things that you can do with this. So, but I want to keep it simple and quick, so I'm not going to do much in this video. And when you're done, you can click save and close to insert this text box into the page. And there you go. Now we have this text box that basically independent from the rest of the regular text. However, you might have noticed that you cannot just edit the content right away. It would be treated the same as when you have an image or shape in the document. And that's why the only way to edit that, you have to click on the text box again and then click edit. And it will bring you to this area to modify the text. So another thing that you have to know is you want to move it around, and if you want to do that, you have to adjust the wrapping setting for the document. So I personally use the in front of text mode because it will ensure that this text box is visible no matter what, and also it is easy to move around. You can move it anywhere you like, and there is also an option to put it basically in conjunction between the text. You can choose this option, and if you move it to the text, it will immediately create this effect, which is probably something that you're looking for. So anyway, that's basically how you can create a text box in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.